charcoal?
Oh, look at that.
Light it up and then I can burn the incense and the herbs on it. Oh, that's fun. About to light up another one.
So you do spells, huh?
Yes, sir.
I gotta put a curse on somebody. I'm just kidding. I gotta get a spell to grow some hair.
I actually have that.
You do?
It's called Witch's Locks. It has mint and rosemary and ginkgoba. One of the biggest reasons we can't grow hair or we'll lose hair is because of stress. We will actually tighten our follicles.
I think mine's from friction burns from naked bungee jumping.
Naked bungee jumping.
Show you guys the hood a little bit as the sun goes down. Get a feel for what it's like. The beer going on in the alleyways. Got to have the hooch, you know. People's front porches, the neighbors. Whatever. That one's running. Hey, it's a big shout out to Rogue Exploration. When I was down here tonight, I was thinking of you and Stobe, especially after that post you put up. For everybody watching this that has not checked out Rogue Exploration's channel, go check it out. Give him a view. He's up in, oh geez, I'm gonna forget which city, but that's all right, which state. Have a good one, and hopefully I won't get busted down here. Have a good night, guys. Hey guys, it's late at night, as you can see. I'm in between the trains here and the tracks. You probably can't see anything, but this is the train coupling here. Yeah, this is like pitch black. But anyway, there is a train coming. I got nowhere to freaking go, so I got to get out of here. And I can't even get through here because there's more trains on this side. That's a cool picture, huh? No idea what that is in there, but it's got bars over the windows and there's a TV going. Huh. I'll have to check this joint out. Right on. This place is great. Yeah, I was just outside taking pictures on the train tracks. Caught my attention. Oh yeah. Okay, these guys are closed right now, but you get a feel of the operation here, and you can see this is Sunday night. These guys are closed. He's really cool. Alex is letting me poke my head around and have a look. They're celebrating their 1-year anniversary apparently. And then that's the TV I saw through the window. Here's their game room. Ping pong tables. All sorts of arcade machines over here, as you can see. Drift racing, getaway, pinball, etc., etc. Shuffleboard action, old school. Air hockey. And I love the old equipment they kept in here. This is great. Let's work our way back out to the front. Huh. I won't get you on the camera, brother.
I've been on there enough.
I'm sure. This has got, I love the atmosphere in here.
Yeah, just try to keep the building the same, didn't change a whole lot.
Very cool. Interesting bar, eh? Turning out a leg here. Whatever. Old elevator shaft. That's really cool. And that's it, folks. I don't know why I do this sometimes. I just like to walk around late at night.